Step on the brakes. Got a brake light bulb out. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fix that. Hey, what's up YouTube? Down to Fix It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Got a brake light bulb out in a 2016 Ford Escape. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change that. The bulb that you're gonna need for this is a 3157. The first thing we need to do is pop out these two little plastic covers. There we go. And that will give you access to these two 8mm head bolts. We need to take those out. All right, now the trick to taking this off is you just have to pull it back this direction. Kind of just wiggling and pulling this, just like that. You see, we just kind of use the friction from our hands to pull it back, and now it's loose. And we can flip this over and change out the bulb. Now the light that we have out is this one right here, the tail light or brake light bulb, which is the one on the top. So if we flip this over, that's gonna be this one right here. Now I went and put some gloves on because I don't like to touch these new light bulbs with the oil or grease from your hand. That can cause them to go bad prematurely. But it's really easy to change. All we need to do is just grab this and twist this counterclockwise and then just pop it right out. And you can see this one has even some burning color around it. So we definitely have an issue with this. Let's pull this out. Just pops straight out. On close inspection, you can see one of the filaments is burned out in this bulb. Okay, and then we just take the new bulb and just press it straight in until it snaps in place, and then put the bulb back in the housing and turn it a quarter turn clockwise. Now, as I put this taillight back in, I just want to show you, there's this little hole right here, and then one down here at the bottom. That's this little peg right here. This actually will slide in through there, and then this one will go into the top one. And then this little spot right here, this part right here just has to slide or hook around that. You see the little edge will catch. So all we need to do now is just line this up and press it back in. Just make sure that that's lined up. You can kind of just eyeball it from the side and then push it straight on. And then you'll feel that just kind of click into place. Now I also wanted to show you this side over here. We need to fold this underneath. It's like this little rubber piece of weather stripping has to fold down so that this part here is over the top of the taillight assembly itself. So you might just have to peel that back and tuck it underneath. But now we can put those little screws or bolts back in. And then we'll just put these little plastic covers back on. They just line up and snap into place, like so. All right, now let's test it. Step on the brakes. All right, looks like it's working perfectly. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description to those replacement bulbs along with some of the other tools used in the video as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.